At Data.ai, we offer premium signals to maximize alpha. As part of the investment team, you recognize that the default App Store categories are incomplete and inadequate. This makes it challenging to discover new opportunities, evaluate market size, and conduct due diligence. AppIQ provides a current and comprehensive taxonomy, created by a dedicated team of industry experts, offering granular tagging of in-app mechanics. With this proprietary framework, you can accurately size the market and determine which opportunities to prioritize. For example, while evaluating personal investment apps, the default App Store finance category may omit relevant apps, while surfacing irrelevant ones, resulting in poor analysis. In AppIQ, personal investment is a pre-built category enabling accelerated analysis, idea validation, and better decision-making. With Data.ai, we provide our proprietary taxonomy to illuminate the mobile landscape at a granular level so you can conduct thorough due diligence.